Well, what was I thinking? I did not give you guys a board work problem, but this is optional. But if you can't get through the day without doing a board work problem, do this problem. It's actually a good problem, and a lot of you guys could use practice on this. So there it is. You got a function, and you're asked to evaluate it at those two different values of x. So plug in -2, see what you get. Plug in -1, see what you get. So pause the video now and work on that. And when you're ready to look at the solution, start it back up. Okay, we are back. We're going to look at f of -2 first. So we're going to plug in -2 into that function. So we just make a place for to plug it into. Minus 3x squared, -3 parentheses squared, minus 9 times x, and then minus 6. So everywhere there's an x, we're going to put in -2. So let's do this. So this is still -3 times whatever we get when we square -2. What do we get when we square -2? We get +4. Okay, minus 9 times -2, that's -18, right? And if you don't mind writing negatives next to each other, let's put parentheses around it. And then we have -6. So we're getting there. So we evaluate this, we get -12, we get +18, we get -6. Now, -12 plus 18, that is +6, right? We'll go ahead and write down that intermediate step. And +6 minus 6, so that is 0. Okay, should have put equal signs here all the way down. Okay, we get 0. So let's do the other one. Put in -1 in for x. So we have -3. Let's see, I'll put my equals here. -3 times x squared, put parentheses so we can plug it in, minus 9 times x minus 6. Okay, we put in -1. So what do we get? So remember, of course, these parentheses do not mean that somehow the -3 is also dragged into that. It's just to show that negative that's right in front of the 1, that's part of what is squared. Okay, we're not just squaring 1, we're squaring -1, and that's what the parentheses mean. So we have -3 still, and we just square that -1, and that gives us 1. Okay, because a negative times a negative is positive. So here we're subtracting 9 times -1. So we're subtracting a negative, right? 9 times -1 is -9. We subtract that. Subtracting -9 means adding 9. Okay, and then minus 6. So that equals -3 plus 9 minus 6. And -3 plus 9, that is 6, minus 6. And that one is also 0. So we get 0 for both of those. And that is the answer. If you've got something different, try to figure out where you went wrong. And also, you can email me or get on the Canvas conference. I'm trying to watch that to see when anyone joins. So just go ahead and join the conference if you have any questions about this. Okay, that is all.